Having trouble sharing your Boost Mobile data? Let's look at why your hotspot might not be working and some quick fixes. Common causes include network congestion, especially during peak hours, software glitches, or exceeding your high-speed data limits, typically 15 gigabytes on unlimited plans before throttling. First, quickly troubleshoot by restarting your hotspot, toggling airplane mode on and off, or ensuring you have a strong signal of at least 2 to 3 bars. Make sure you have the hotspot add-on. Check for any available software updates for your phone. Boost Mobile released a firmware patch in mid-2024 for Android devices, and iOS users receive fixes through iOS updates. Still no luck? Contact Boost Mobile support via their app or chat for real-time diagnostics. If basic fixes don't work, ensure portable Wi-Fi hotspot is enabled in your phone settings and you've set a secure password. Verify your APN settings are correct, specifically apn.boostmobile.com. Reset your network settings or clear the cache in the Boost Mobile app. A factory reset might be needed. Keep in mind, hotspot speeds are capped at 5 to 20 megabytes per sec, depending on 5G availability, and data sharing is limited to family plans. Monitor your data usage to avoid throttling after exceeding your limit. Outdated plans and billing glitches can also disrupt service. According to recent user surveys and Boost Mobile's own data, software resets and updates resolve over 80% of hotspot issues.